Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix you will need a new app to open this Windows Defender link in Windows 11. So how to fix this app of all, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, first of all, go to your search box and type PowerShell and open a Windows PowerShell. Right click, run as administrator. After opening that, paste the command. It's available into the video description, so copy and paste it and press enter. After completing that, type exit and exit the PowerShell and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.